Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here, and in this video I'm going to reveal my top 2 sources for free traffic and affiliate marketing. So if you're on this video right now, it probably means you're doing a little bit of research in terms of how to generate more traffic to your business, but maybe you're someone who doesn't have a massive budget to spend on paid advertising, and you just want to get more eyeballs, more exposure to your business, so you can get more leads, and of course, more sales in the long term, right? So if that's you, then you've come to the right video, because not only am I going to show you these top 2 sources that I'm currently using, but I'm also going to show you a really cool bonus at the end of this video that will allow you to 4x your results, get sales from up to 4 income streams with the same amount of work, and also it will do all the explaining and telling for you. It'll do all the follow-up, it will do all the explaining and all the upselling for you, and all you have to do is simply get good at driving traffic, right? So if you're also interested in that, then be sure to stay with me to the end of this video, because I really don't want you to miss out on that, right? So without further ado, let's actually get right into things. Now, before you start sending traffic to, whatever offer it is that you have, regardless of what product it is that you're promoting, it's very important that you have this one thing in place, right? And if there's anything that I could say to my past self that was just getting into this thing, like 2 to 3 years ago, I would say, dude, forget just driving traffic. If you don't have this thing in place, you're gonna fail you're gonna fail in the long term, and that's exactly what the case was, right? So my first 2 to 3 years online, I made very little to no money. It's because of this very thing that I'm gonna reveal to you, right? So before you start sending any traffic whatsoever, there's something that you want to have in place, and that thing is a marketing system, right? So what exactly does that look like? Well, I'm going to show you an example of this in a minute, but I want to give a kind of like an overview in terms of how this all works out, right? So the very first step inside of a sales funnel is something known as a capture page, right? This is a simple page that you're going to send people to. And it's got, a headline at the top saying, giving some sort of teaser in terms of what you're going to give them. It could say something along the lines of, would you like to learn how to generate huge commissions from 4 income streams with one autopilot system? If so, enter your email down below here, and you could simply get access to this free video that shows you how to do this, right? So someone will land on this page, they'll be like, okay, I want to learn more, right? So they enter their email right here, and when they do that, they will get put on to your email list. This pen isn't working. Here we go. They will get put onto your email list, right? So this is where you'll be able to follow up with these people over and over again, right? And when they enter their email, they'll be taken to the next step in the funnel, which would be known as the thank you page. Now, this step in the funnel is completely optional. You don't really have to do this, but what you can do to help pre-frame people is you can provide your own video or your own text, your own story, where you talk about exactly what the program is all about. You go over your experience with it. You go over all the benefits. You might share a bit about yourself, your story, and then you can give a call to action at the end saying, hey, if you want to check out this program, if you're interested in getting this X result, go ahead, click on the button right below here. And when they do that, they will get taken to the actual offer that you're promoting, right? So this is where you could send them over to the sales page of the program, and when they buy the program, then you, of course, will get paid that commission. Now, let's say, for example, that you send someone through this entire process, and they don't buy on the front end, they don't buy anything that you're offering them. Well, in that case, it's no big deal, because they're on your email list, you could follow up with these people over and over again. You could send them back to the offer at any point. You could follow up with them. You could provide them with more value. And the more you do this, the more consistent you follow up with people. This is going to help convert more of your leads into actual buyers, right? So you have to remember that regardless of how great the offer is, majority of people are not going to buy on the front end. That's just the harsh reality of this industry. You have to become great when it comes to following up with people. And the more consistent that you are, the better your results will be for the long term, right? So I just want to say right off the bat that if this is sounding like a completely different language to you, and you're not good when it comes to any of this stuff, or this sounds like just going over your head, I just want to say that at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a really cool bonus that will allow you to pretty much automate majority of what I'm showing you right here, right? So if you want someone else to do the follow-up for you, and you just want to simply leverage, a system that's already working, that is already converting very well, then I'll talk about that at the end of this video. But anyways, here's an example of exactly what this looks like, right? So we've got my capture page right here with the headline. I want to opt in to learn more, right? So I click on this button right here after opting in, and this will take me to the exact sales presentation of the exact program, right? So this video, of course, explains what it's all about. At the end, a button will appear here where I could simply choose to buy into the program, right? So because I've opted into this exact page right here, then I become a lead to this exact capture page, and I can, of course, follow up with myself, right? That sounds kind of weird, right? But with this out of the way, I want to go over exactly what my top 2 free traffic sources are, right? So the very first one is, of course, Facebook. Now, Facebook, of course, at this point, as you all know, it's the largest social media platform out there, and I believe it's like half the world's population is like on Facebook, right? So with Facebook, there's tons of people that you can connect with from all over the world. You can connect people in various different, niche that you're getting into. For example, you can go on Facebook, you could search up for, whatever niche that you're in, right? You could find different groups that you could join that is about that niche, right? So whether it's relationships, dating, health and wellness, the business niche, or make money online, right? In this case, I searched up online business, and I found this group right here that has about almost 200,000 members, right? So these are 200,000 people that have expressed interest in growing a business online or want to expand their business or whatever the case is. And these are all people that you could simply interact with. You can interact with these posts right here. You could create your own posts if you want to, sharing some value, providing some great information. And this is a great way to build connections with people, of course, build up a following. But also what you could do is you can go into any of these groups and you could simply click right here, these three little dots right here, and this will bring up a list of people that are inside of this group right here, right? So you can see people that, are in the group right here. You can see the moderators, and you could also see people that are new to the group, right? So you could find people that, just recently joined the group, like, look, 11 minutes ago, within like the last hour. And these are all people that are recently expressing interest in wanting to grow some sort of online business. So if you have some sort of solution in terms of how to get X result, you could add in these people as a friend. You could, of course, build up a connection one-on-one, reach out to them in Messenger, ask them some questions, see, if they might be a good fit. And then if you feel that they'd be a good fit, you could recommend them your program that you're simply promoting, right? So Facebook is a really great way to, of course, build up a following and connect with people one-on-one. But as you're doing this, what you could also do is you could simply focus on building a profile, right? So I recommend that if you're gonna go this route, you want to have a profile picture of yourself. Don't have some weird anime picture. Don't have some, wrestler or whatever. Don't hide behind a picture of Donald Trump. Have your real face in there because people are not going to buy from a faceless profile, right? I just want to put that out there. Don't be one of those people that, you just reach out to people with the faceless profile and you just spam your link right away. People aren't interested in that, right? So have a picture of yourself. Have a nice bio that explains what you're all about. Maybe include a link in your description where people could check out your #1 recommended program, right? That's another thing you could do. And then what you want to focus on here is you want to focus on adding value, right? So you could share posts to your Facebook profile, share things that you maybe learned in the industry. What you could also do is you could do, for example, like Facebook Lives, which is one thing that this guy does right here. And as you're doing this consistently, you're focusing on primarily on creating content. What you're going to do is you're going to build up a following of people that know, like, and trust you. And then in each video that you create, in each post you could have a call to action for people to simply comment down below, reach out to you in Messenger, and they, for them to, of course, check out your program, right? So this is a great way to build up a following on Facebook, to get people that know, like, and trust you. And the more consistent that you are with this, the more visitors you'll get to your program. And of course, more visitors equals more leads equals more sales, right? So consistency is really the main thing that you want to aim for, especially when it comes to organic traffic, right? Now, the next method that I use is, of course, YouTube, right? So YouTube is hands down some of the highest quality traffic that you can get anywhere online because, well, it's video, right? And this is the exact traffic source that actually led to my very first ever breakthrough online. I'll never forget the day, but I remember coming home from work one day. This is like about a year ago now. And I remember me and my brother were going to like KFC or something like that, right? I get home, I check my phone, and there are 2 emails in there that said, boom, made a sale. I check my email, I log into my affiliate account, and there was like $700 that I made like that specific day, right? So it was pretty crazy when I seen that. I was like, whoa, I just nearly screamed when I seen that result right there. But that came as the result of being consistent with this exact traffic source right here, right? So why do I recommend YouTube? Well, it's one of the best ways of building up trust because people, they watch a video, they get to know what you're all about. So immediately they trust you a lot more than, a faceless profile on Facebook and, one of these groups, for example. And also it's really great. What's really great about this is that every video that you make can be like a salesperson that just works for you 24/7, right? So you put in the work once to create a video, you get it ranked under a certain keyword, like for example, Kartra Review 2021, ClickFunnels versus Kartra, how I made my first $1,000 in affiliate marketing, best affiliate program for beginners in 2021, right? Someone switches up best affiliate program for beginners. If they find your video, you're giving them exactly what they're looking for. And at the end of your video, you can give a call to action saying, hey, if you want to check out my #1 recommended program to get up, get up and running online, all you have to do is simply click on the link down below, see what my program is all about, and you can decide to jump on board right there, right? So this is a great way to build up your list with high quality people that will be interested in seeing what you, exactly what you're all about, right? So as long as you're doing this consistently, then this is going to be some of the best traffic that you can get, and it's very easy to convert into buyers, right? So YouTube is a very powerful method right there. But with that being said, I want to go over exactly what my #1 recommended program is for getting up and running. And if you're someone who wants to really maximize your earning potential, if you want to be able to create consistent revenue from up to 4 income streams just by promoting one link and letting a system go to work for you, then I want to reveal exactly what the program is that I'm currently leveraging right now, and also one that a lot of other successful affiliates are using as well, right? And I'll preface this by saying that this is working not just for veterans in the industry, but also for people who are completely brand new, right? So check this out. If you want to create residual income online, residual $20 payments every single month from each member that you refer. If you're looking to generate high ticket commissions online, like $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, maybe perhaps more, or even if you're someone who wants to create long-term, consistent, predictable income online, if you want to be able to generate repeat buyers, people who just keep coming back and to buy more, and of course, you get more commissions from that, then this program is perfect for all of those things, right? So this is really great because with this exact program right here, it does all the explaining and telling for you, and all you really have to focus on with this exact program is simply driving traffic, right? So earlier in this video, I talked about, building up your list, doing email follow-up, making your own videos and all that type of stuff. But if you're brand new, this stuff might have gone over your head. You might be like, oh, I don't feel like doing all these things. It seems like a lot to learn. With this exact program right here, all you really have to do is simply leverage any of the capture pages that they give you and just focus on driving traffic, right? Just get consistent eyeballs to any of these pages, get leads coming in, whether you do that with Facebook, whether you do that with YouTube, whether you just buy clicks and send it to your link, which will show you how to do, then that's really all you have to focus on to start getting leads. And every lead that you generate will be followed up with by the creator of this exact program, right? So if they buy, for example, a month down the road, 3 months down the road, maybe perhaps a couple, 6 months to a year down the road, you're still going to get credit for every sale that you bring into this exact program right here. And that is what makes this program so powerful, not just for veterans in the industry, but also for people who are completely brand new. And that is why I highly believe in this exact program right here, and why I know that if you jump on board and you're consistently driving traffic, I know for a fact that you could have phenomenal results with this exact program. I know that's a big claim, but trust me when I say this, this is working very well for veterans and also complete newbies. Right now, if you take action right now and you decide to jump on board with this program by clicking the link down below, I've got some really cool bonuses for you to really help you get up and running and help you shorten the learning curve, right? The very first bonus that you're going to get access to here is my exclusive training that shows you how to get up and running. I show you, everything in terms of mindset, how to get everything set up in the program. I show you how to leverage my exact done for you funnels, right? So, if you don't want to leverage the funnels that the program gives you, and you also want to test out the exact funnels that I put together, like this one, for example, then you'll be able to do that with this exact training right here. And what's also great about this is my funnels also come with done for you emails as well, right? So I've got my own follow-ups as well that go out on your behalf. You simply just generate leads, and I'm always going to be adding to this anyway, so there will be more emails going in here. And not only that, but I also show you how to become unique by setting up your own funnels, how to build up your own list, how to do your own emails, how to offer bonuses and all that type of stuff to get people to join specifically through you. And on top of that, I show you the best ways of driving traffic online, right? So if you want to learn more ways to generate traffic, aside from just Facebook and YouTube, and that's exactly what this section will go over right here, right? Now, in addition to that, I have some additional bonuses, and these are going to be specifically for those who join the second income stream, which is a program by the name of Easy One Up, which will be inside the program. And when you come in at the highest level inside that program, at the Vertex Live level, that's a $2,000 level. When you come in at that level, not only will you position yourself for higher ticket commissions, but you'll also get more support for the long term, right? So what you're going to get access to here you're going to get access to personal biweekly coaching, right? So if you want that additional guidance, you want that additional help, you want to be able to ask questions, that's exactly what this will be over here. You're also going to get access to the YouTube selling system, and this is the exact method that led to my very first breakthrough online, right? So I show you everything in terms of, there's training in here that shows you how to get up and running with YouTube. This shows you how to build up a following on this platform right here and get high quality people, coming to you. You're also going to get access to the Facebook ads training, which shows you more in detail about how to use Facebook ads without ever having to worry about getting banned. So that's also really great. You're also going to get access to the massive traffic formula. This is a very powerful method created by a 7-figure earner known as Paula Broser, right? So you can simply plug it into this training right here, which will show you how to get up and running. But you'll also get access to the massive ManyChat profits. And if you want to learn a really cool way on how to follow up with your leads using Facebook Messenger, then that's exactly what this training is really great for, right? What's great about this is that it's not like, one-on-one follow-up where it's like you have to reach out to people and be like, hey, how's it going? Have you checked the program yet? None of that, BS right there. This will show you how to follow up with multiple people at once. And the open rates with this is much higher than with emails, right? So that's also really powerful. But you'll also get access to the ultimate Facebook chat mastery. And if you want to learn how to generate free traffic that's very fast and also very high quality, this is the exact training that you want to plug into, because this is going to show you how to build up a following on Facebook, how to get people reaching out to you one-on-one saying, hey, I want to check out your program. You send me a link to join your program. I want to join directly through you, right? That's what you're going to learn with this exact training right here. But you'll also get access to some email slides you could plug into. You'll learn hypnotic storytelling, which is also a really great thing to learn. You'll learn the most important ingredient for success. And also, my friend has this really cool ebook called Vision Manifesto that'll show you how to create a crystal clear vision for your future, right? So this is everything that they're going to get access to when you decide to click the link down below and you get started with this exact program today. And again, these specific bonuses are going to be specifically for those who come in at the second income stream at the $2,000 level, right? Otherwise, if you just come into the program itself, just the the actual system, then you'll also get access to these other bonuses that I gave you right here, like getting started and setting up my own funnels and all the type of stuff right there, right? So if you see an opportunity for yourself, you want to get on board, you're like, I'm ready to start generating high ticket commissions online. You want to generate monthly residual income. You want to generate consistent, predictable income online. Then go ahead, click on the button down below, get started today, and I'll see you on the inside, and take care.